Peeps, the unruly boss, Popcaan and people attack. Whether for one thing or another. You understand? So if a people are say yo Alkaline a deal with him rough, or people are say him a deal with Alkaline like how Alkaline did a deal with other people where him not respond or pay Alkaline attention, whatever it is. You understand what I say? Alright, the core of the situation or a situation where the American model did post some things on IG, whether it is true or not. You see me I say? So the boss in the public sphere and public eyes. You see me I say? And he now is responsible for another talking point. It says Popcaan and his future wife gets lovey-dovey on Instagram. Popcaan had hinted to a possible wedding in the near future with his current girlfriend Kavell Keir. I hope I pronounced that correctly. With his latest post on Instagram, which has caused an outrage of the possible event with the female audience of the unruly fan base. But now things are only getting hotter. The girls are pre-poppy. Kavell took to her Instagram to publicly declare her love for Popcaan, just in case of any naysayers about to doubt the two relationship. It says in the post that she made, "I call you king, not as a pet name or a term of endearment, but as a simple reminder, sign, a queen, love you at Popcaan Music." That's what I said. And Papa replied, "Love you too, my queen." Yo, your boss nah hide. Nah. Pray this.
Preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
This other article says Popcaan and girlfriend Kavell to get married, question sign. He kinda announced it on Instagram. Did he really? It says dancehall artist Popcaan could be tying the knot with his longtime girlfriend Kavell, as the unruly boss sparked wedding rumors on Friday night when he uploaded photos of his Trinidadian beauty. Addicted like NSC, addicted like weed. Forever the boss, forever my Popcaan Keir Sutherland. He wrote in the post. Yo, you better deal with it. How you still? That's what I say. So babes, I'm not going to say that when I go still. You know, you got people that say, yo, as public figures, we should try as best as possible to keep certain aspects of our lives as shrouded in secrecy as is possible. Because the moment they put it out in the public sphere, you know, it is open for criticism and ridicule, and you know, you gotta have some people you gotta wish you well, but you gotta have some people you gotta find all sorts of things to break you down still. But people must know him and do still. You see me I say? I mean, and then when we lift up them things in the public and them fall through and end bad, it's normally kind of difficult to deal with it. You understand what I say? So, I don't know, to each his own answer. Every man decide their own destiny still. But if I this a girl I generally love, if I this a girl I'm love, if I this a girl I want to spend the rest of my life with, so be it. You understand what I say? Those one of them things still. You know, with us, I preach so, and I say, yo, what gonna happen next still? You see me? But go along with the things still and roll the boss. If I so, you understand? I'm out.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.